So we just landed in Bangkok and our Airbnb canceled our room.
Cancels the morning we can get here. And now we're stuck at the airport, 4 hours of sleep, 3 days. No hotel is gonna let us in at 5 in the morning.
So here's what we get to do right now.
It's $1 an inch.
$1 an inch. So now it is almost 8 a.m. So we've been here for 4 hours. Yep. And we got Subway.
They were $12, 12-inch subs.
Our Airbnb hasn't got back to us if they accept it or not.
So we have nowhere to sleep. So good Thailand trip so far.
The airport is a really good time.
Especially being here for 4 hours when we only have 3 days in Bangkok. We're spending half of our 1 day in Bangkok in the airport.
Yeah. It's a good time. Just an update. The subs are really disgusting.
That's fucking nasty. I'm so... And one of the rooms we were looking into answered and said we can't get until 2. And it's currently 8 in the morning.
And we haven't slept in 3 days, or showered, or anything.
Teeth.
Nothing. We're crusty.
So, hopefully the next time we talk, something good happens. That's all I'm saying. Hopefully the next time we talk, something good happens.
Hopefully the next time we talk, something good happens.
Told us to take a taxi. So the taxi just drove us around for 15 minutes to bring us to the same place we got picked up at.
This is
the same goddamn airport.
This is where we came from.
But like, we need to take the train. And she told me to take a fucking taxi. No wonder he was so confused. It makes sense now because we asked for a ride exactly to get back to where we just came from. So now we need to figure out how to get on the train. We're all crying.
Yeah, we're all crying in the airport. We're all having horrible times. We met this man who's also having a horrible time.
We're buying him a flight home because we can't do anything.
This girl is an angel. This girl is an angel. She's like, really. Happy birthday, really.
Thank you. We're trying. Maybe if I do something good will happen.
Yeah, hopefully.
Tom's gonna come back. It's great.
Find your flight. Go buy it.
Okay, so now we're back in the basement where we were before. And we're gonna try to get a little AirPod thing to sleep in. And hopefully one is available. Otherwise, we're gonna cry some more and just, I don't know, just cry endlessly. So that's what's going on today. Good day of travel. Love it. After almost 4 hours of dragging our luggage around the airport, taking a taxi in a giant circle, trying to find a train that we didn't need to take, we finally got a bed to sleep in the airport. Okay, we got a good 1 hour of sleep in the pods, and now we are finally on our way to the Airbnb. It is 1 p.m. by the way. So we've been here since 4 a.m. I don't know how long it is, but it's been a long time. So goodbye airport, finally. We are on the way to the Airbnb. Welcome to our room. How do you feel?
I'm dead inside. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? Like, we have to push through it. I would rather die than stay up another 6 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm gonna shower and schedule after that. I have been an anime girl for too long. What was I thinking? I lived in this skirt for 5 fucking days.
Yep.
I was surprised your chest hasn't like broken out hives.
It has.
It has. Okay.
We are having our second meal in Thailand, and our first meal is Subway, and our second meal is Burger King. And we're at the NBK Mall doing some shopping, and I've already spent like all my baht. So it's been a good day.
And that's all the baht I was gonna use for the whole trip. 5 hours in to actually being here, and I still want to buy more. So yeah, I'm gonna go broke by the end of the week. I'm gonna go broke by the end of the week.
We spent all of the money that we brought to Thailand in one day
Because we're fucking stupid.
Yeah.
And we literally had to like sit there and count our little pennies that we had left. And I had to put it back because we're broke and we just got here.
We weren't even here the entire day.
It took us 10 hours to get to the room. We were in the room for an hour getting ready and we just spent...
New friend.
We just spent all of our money.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. Take time, my friend. Where from?
Chicago. Yes!
What's up, girl?
Moral of the story, we're stupid.
It's 2 a.m. and we're awake.
And we set an alarm for 7.
If we would have been in 15 minutes, we'll have 5 hours of sleep to top the 4 hours we've gotten in the past 3 days.
Just wanted to let you know how dumb we are, that's all. Hee hee, good night.
Hopefully good night, bro. So we're at our room and we're taking selfies in a storm. But it's like really, really cool. Like the pictures are insane. Look at this. Like, tell me that doesn't look fake. She looks fake up there. And this is our view from our pool. And this is only our second day here. So I can only imagine what it's gonna look like in Chiang Mai and Phuket too. Say hi! It's so sick. And then the storm makes it look even cooler. Amazing. Life is good. At least today it is. Do a thirst trap, bitch!
We just spent about an hour in a taxi going to the floating market just to find out that it was closed because of like a holiday or something. And now we just Ubered to the Grand Palace, and we just taxied to the Grand Palace instead. So that was a good waste of like a good hour and a half, but plus I'm gonna throw up because I'm so car sick. So what happened with your shirt now?
I was wearing like a tank top with like a white scarf tied over it to hide my shoulders. And they stopped me in line and they made me go inside, and then I got like lectured about how disrespectful I was, and then they made me buy this shirt for 200 baht. there's so many people here with their shoulders out, their ankles out. They were just selective.
Yeah, the unlucky one.
So now I'm sweating, like actually sweating like crazy. It's like
hot.
the thickest t-shirt in America.
In Thailand.
Yeah. They have fried spicy macaroni.
So it's, what time is it? 4:30 and we're eating
Today.
Yep, for the first time. Good job.
This full place, it literally is everything. Sandwiches, macaroni, noodles. I really just came for the ice cream because it's killer hot out here. And we're gonna get massages after.
Wait, got beef with rice and chicken katsu or something like that. I forgot already.
I got rice and pork and chicken and a grilled cheese. Dude, it's so good. The chicken.
Thank you. I need this.
Oh no!
We're taking a tuk-tuk to night market and it is downpouring. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ah, look at it, it's so bad.
Oh no!
Holy shit. Ah!
Come back.
Okay, since it started raining, we are going to we got out of the tuk-tuk at the train station and we are going to try to figure out the train to get back to our Airbnb. So wish us luck. Yeah, sad that we can't go to the night market, but whatever, so. We've been in this room for like 48 hours? Not even, less than that.
We got here at 1 yesterday.
Yesterday at 1 p.m.
For 30 hours.
30 hours later. So horrible.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Okay.
Ooh.
Time to pack for Chiang Mai tomorrow morning.